How to use Airbnb Split Stays feature 2026. To use this feature, first of all, you have to trigger the Split Stays option. So go ahead and open the application itself. From there, enter a search for 7 nights or more. Simply tap on this search icon located on the top and then tap on this win option and make sure you select more than 7 nights. Once you do so, all you have to do is tap on this next option and then select your who options, then tap on this search button. And you also have to make sure you type in your destinations. Once you do so, you should be able to find the dual icon or look for the search results that show 2 houses. Now, once you find it, all you have to do is simply tap on it and then simply book it, and the Airbnb's AI will automatically split the stays within this your desired selected days. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.